you've determined you need to replace the disc pad on the SL7, purchase the C768 from Essex Silverline and put it on your edger. To do that, you need to turn the machine upside down, exposing the disc pad. Take the bolt and washer out, and then you're going to need to jam the fan on the armature so you can remove the disc pad. It threads on counterclockwise. To do that, there's two ways. You can remove the disc pad or just put a screwdriver down into the machine and jam it. Using the C786 disc pad removing tool, line it up with the holes and spin off counterclockwise. When you get there, you're going to make sure there's a C764 fiber washer between the jack shaft and the new disc pad. Blow it out if it needs to be. Spin the new pad on clockwise, hand tighten, remove the screwdriver, and it is ready to get trimmed.